A lot going on, and I'm trying to reduce the things that I'm doing and get back to focusing on my blog. But sometimes that can be hard because another priority of mine right now is to grow this TikTok channel as well as my personal branded TikTok, and also managing my other platforms on Instagram and YouTube as well. Maybe you don't have like a whole bunch of platforms that you're focused on, or maybe you have a lot of things going on in your life. So if you really want to get focused on blogging, I asked Google Bard to come up with 10 questions to help me get clarity on what I'm trying to do with my blog right now. So these 10 questions are helpful for you if you're starting a new blog, or if you're in the midst of figuring out like, how am I going to continue blogging and you want to get that motivation back again, you should answer these 10 questions. So let's get into it. So question number 1, what is your goal for your blog? Are you trying to build a community, share your knowledge, or make money? You just have to realize what your goal is and go from there. Number 2, what topics do you want to write about? What are you passionate about? This is so important because blogging, it can be overwhelming. And if you don't have a good goal and you don't have something you're passionate about, it's going to be kind of difficult to do. And sometimes when you're in a funk, you kind of forget what you're passionate about. Number 3, what is your target audience? Who are you trying to reach with your blog? Actually, these questions are great for like all your social media channels too. But I know it's such a generic question, but like you really need to answer this. This is going to help you a lot with your SEO, with being found and finding the right community. And then number 4, what is your writing style? Formal, informal, or somewhere in between? I mean, honestly, ChatGPT can help you figure this out as well. Number 5, how often do you want to publish new posts? With anything, posting consistency is key for any of the platforms. Number 6, how much time are you willing to put into blogging? If you only can write 1 blog post per week, start from there, but you have to stay consistent with that, okay? And then also do a time audit. See like how much time does it actually take you to write a blog, and then incorporate ChatGPT and AI and do that in like a matter of minutes. Number 7, what are your strengths and weaknesses as a blogger? Number 8, what are your biggest challenges with blogging? Right now, mine is like consistency and balance because I have so many things going on right now. Number 9, what resources do you have available to help you with blogging? You have ChatGPT and AI, and you also have my channel where I share tools and tips to help you blog better and easier and make content too. Lastly, number 10, what are your goals for your blog in the future? So it's good to have like a vision of where you want to go, because sometimes, you know, when you're starting out, it's not that exciting, but if you have a vision to go further, then it'll really help motivate you more. I hope that was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit the follow button for more tips.